Ever tasted a dessert so luscious, so unbelievably creamy and tropical, that you had to double-check if you were actually eating leftover rice? This is that dessert. Sticky coconut rice balls, drenched in a golden velvety mango sauce, just 4 simple ingredients, but every bite transports you straight to a sun-drenched paradise. Imagine it. You've got some rice left from last night's dinner, maybe jasmine or plain white rice. Instead of letting it sit in the fridge, you're about to give it a sweet, dreamy upgrade. Start by warming the rice gently, just enough to soften it without drying it out. As the grains fluff up, pour in creamy coconut milk, the kind that smells like fresh coconuts, and let it soak in. Add a kiss of honey or sugar. Stir it all together, and suddenly, your rice is transformed. Sticky, fragrant, and rich. Here's a tip. Don't rush this step. Let the coconut milk work its magic, bringing the grains together into a soft, cohesive mixture. If it's a little stiff, add just another splash of coconut milk until it's pliable, sticky but not wet. Once it's cool enough to handle, get your hands a little damp and start shaping perfect little balls. The texture should be just right, tender with a subtle coconut richness and the natural bite of rice. Make them bite-sized for a fun snack, or go big for a satisfying dessert. There's no wrong way. Now for the magic on top. Take a ripe, juicy mango, one that gives just a bit when you press it. Peel it, slice it, and toss it in a blender. Puree until you have a silky, sunset-colored sauce. If your mango is perfectly ripe, you don't need to add a thing. But for a twist, try a squeeze of fresh lime juice or a sprinkle of chili flakes. That hint of citrus or heat will wake up the flavors and make every mouthful exciting. Lay out your coconut rice balls on a plate, still gleaming from the coconut milk. Drizzle that mango sauce generously over the top. Let it cascade down the sides, pooling around the rice like liquid sunshine. The colors are bright and inviting, but the flavor is where the magic happens. Creamy, chewy rice with the unmistakable sweetness of coconut, balanced by the tangy, tropical burst of mango. Every bite tastes like a day at the beach, toes in the sand, sun on your face. What's even better? This dessert is dairy-free, gluten-free, and needs no oven. Perfect for hot days or when you want something light after a meal. And because it's sweetened naturally with honey or just a touch of sugar, you control the sweetness. It's the kind of treat you'll want to make again and again, especially when you've got rice to use up and a craving for something new. So next time you find leftover rice in your fridge, skip the fried rice and go for something sweeter. Coconut rice balls with mango sauce. So easy, so satisfying, and so full of flavor. If this recipe has your mouth watering, don't forget to let us know your favorite tropical fruit and keep tuning in for more creative, flavor-packed ideas you can whip up in minutes. Until next time, keep your kitchen creative, your treats sweet, and never underestimate the power of a simple recipe done right.